Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making spicy citrus Cornish hens. This recipe, guys, is perfect for any occasion. The Cornish hens are decadently spiced with a hint of citrus flavor. This dish is impressive and so delicious. It's so easy to make, and I guarantee you guys it will be your new favorite for a simple and elegant family meal. So guys, let me show you how I make it. Let's get started. In a small bowl, combine black pepper and garlic seasoning. We are also adding in paprika. In goes lemon pepper seasoning. We are also adding in dry thyme. We are also adding in dried basil and cayenne pepper. Guys, omit cayenne pepper if you don't like spicy food. Mix everything together, then set aside. Here I have two 1-pound Cornish hens, guys. I already washed them and pat dried them. Season with the seasoning mixture we just made. Rub the seasoning all over the chicken. Pour the seasoning in the cavity. You must be really generous with the seasoning, guys. Whenever I come across beautiful Cornish hens like this, I just can't help myself but buy a few. They are easy to roast as a chicken, but the saving is even easier. All you have to do is slice the hen in half. Voila, you have two savings ready to go. Yes, guys. Okay, here I have a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, lightly coated with a cooking spray. Place the hens on a baking dish, just like so, guys. Next, I'm gonna take a foil and make it like a rope, then tie the legs. This will prevent them from spreading their legs wide as they cook. If you have twine, you can use it. Next, we're gonna place dollops of butter on each hen. Then we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 42 an hour. Our chicken is out of the oven. What I did at 35 minutes mark, I pulled it out and basted it with the juices. Cover it with the foil and allow it to rest for 10 minutes before you serve it. I love to serve this with creamy mashed potatoes. If you want to know how I make my creamy mashed potatoes, I'll leave the link for the video somewhere up here, guys. You can go and check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.